In this video, I'm going to go through how to use might and might not to talk about possibility. Here we have a chart. On the left-hand side, we have the subject pronouns. So might and might not are the same for all people. They don't change. I, you, he, she, it, we, they might do something. So looking at might in the positive, it can mean maybe something is or will be true. For example, where's Susan? She might be in the garden. They might win the competition this year. In the positive, might can also mean maybe someone will do something. I might go for a run this afternoon. She might come to the conference. And in the negative, might not can mean maybe something is not or will not be true. For example, the sky is clearing up. It might not rain this afternoon. He might not find another great job. Might not in the negative can also mean maybe someone will not do something. I might not come to the party. He might not go to work tomorrow. Might means maybe it is true, and might not means maybe it isn't true. We use might and might not when we think something is or isn't, or will or won't be true, but we aren't sure. Susan isn't answering the phone. She might be in the garden. The sky is clearing up. It might not rain this afternoon. They might win the competition. I might means it is possible that I will. I might not means it is possible that I won't. We say that someone might do something to mean that it is possible that someone will do something. I might go for a run this afternoon. It's possible that I will go for a run. She might come to the conference. It's possible that she'll come to the conference. We say that someone might not do something to mean that it is possible that someone won't do something. I might not come to the party. It's possible that I won't come to the party. He might not go to work tomorrow. May and may not mean might and might not. We can use may and may not instead of might and might not. She may be late for class this morning. They may not like your decision. May I? We don't often use might or may in questions. However, we can use may I in questions to ask for permission. May I sit here? Means, can I sit here? May I come in? Can I come in? We use may to ask for permission when we want to be more formal. In the following videos, I'm going to do some exercises based on this grammar. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And I'd like to say a big thank you to the team at Test English for allowing me to use their material to create videos to put on YouTube. Thank you.